Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Alicazam. I'm Alica, and I'll be redesigning one of my first layouts into a coronavirus layout. So the whole world at this point knows about the coronavirus, and most of us have experienced a lockdown. Some couples practice social distancing, while others got a little bit closer. And a lot of these couples had a little surprise 9 months later. And my Frisky friends, this layout's for you. How do I make this so that it's not just a baby layout with the words coronavirus on it? I'm at a blank. Well, let's see if I can do this. Challenge accepted. Okay, let's dive in. So while I'm thinking about how to make this Corona-esque, I'm going to do the easy part first and do the background. I'm going to keep the background very similar, but with girl colors instead. Guess she likes it. I like the polka dots on the pink fabric. It matches the photo match really well, but the fabric is kind of thick, so I might use the plaid one instead. I think the curtains may be too small, but this is the last of my fabric, so I'm going to see if I can salvage it. Well, I'm going to end right here for now. Join me for part 2 where I start decorating the layout. Bye! If you like today's designs, you can check out the merch for this collection in my store. Just click the link. And if there's a product you'd like to see that's not available, just leave a comment and I'll do my best to add it. If you like today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell. Here are my social media handles. Leave a comment.